1984 Chevy Impala, 4-door beast. You don't find these, they're very rare. It's got an aftermarket high flow converter there. And then what we did is put duals on it. Duals! What did we do? Duals! With white pipe setup right there, all the way back. Look at that pretty party little things. Party pipes, 2 1/4, right there. Then 2-inch tailpipes, pre-bent. That side. And this side. It's so party. And then into flat tips, because they always look good on those. Right there. Look at that. Match. Everything flows together really nicely. Really clean. You guys cannot say it doesn't look pretty. If you do, write it in the comments and I'm going to comment back. And if you like it, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button. Straight pipe all the way back. Oh yeah. That's how you get it done, baby. You gotta admit that sounds good. Again. Sound distance 106. He's restoring it little by little. Gotta start with the duals. While you restore it, it's gotta sound good, right? He needs a bath, but it's okay. Chevy Impala. Or Caprice, Chevy Caprice. What's an Impala? Chevy Impala, baby. Look at growl. Hell yeah. Enjoy it, man.